I'm Dave Oliver. I am a production supervisor for Ventura Foods. I've been with the company currently a little over 6 years now at this time, and it's been a good journey. Back when I was in high school, I decided that I wanted to pursue the military, and going through my military career, I went through the ranks of being the lowest guy on the totem pole to moving up through the ranks and actually leading troops through my career. So when I left the military, I wanted to pursue that same process of leading, mentoring, coaching others. Prior to myself coming to Ventura Foods, I was a production manager for a manufacturing company that made walk-in coolers. That was a custom manufacturing company, and I wanted to try a different path and get out of the construction side of manufacturing and pursue the food side and see how the food side of manufacturing is. I've had a love for manufacturing. I like watching things come together and having something at the end made. So I came in as a production supervisor 6 years ago, and I have been in the same role. I have helped on our off shifts as sanitation supervisor for a little while. Just being who I am, having good communication with everybody, knowing I work around a lot of the people, so I get to know their personalities, how to interact with others. Again, through my military career, it has helped me to change or to be able to react and work with others with different types of personalities and different types of groups. So soft skills, you need to have good communication. You need to be understanding, respectful towards others, a good listener, and I would expect the same from my other team members, those same skills. The military was my educational path. They do put you through a lot of different training, when you're transitioning from the lower ranks into the upper ranks to start leading employees. Actually, you go through month-long training courses, 6-month-long training courses to go through that. Along with, you have mentors, that I had through my career that taught me how to come up through. And then I had a lot of mentors after I came out of the military. My average day is 80% on the floor interacting with the employees, ensuring that what we're producing is done properly, is good quality, we're doing it safely. That's really what my job entails, along with working with the other departments. And then again, expect the same from the team. We work very close together. We have good communication. If there's an issue that they see or that I see, we get together immediately. So I feel the interaction is a very close relationship. The steps for in high school, some computer classes would be very helpful. Math, we do a lot of math. We need to understand a lot of math. Computer, English, proper grammar, and college, looking at business, take the business courses, continuous improvement courses is very helpful. Also, those would be the areas to follow.